Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ever wanted to manage more than one Clash of Clans village? Maybe you have a main base and a feeder account, or just love the strategy of building different villages. Playing two accounts on a single phone is totally possible, and it opens up new ways to enjoy the game. It's a fantastic way to double your fun and maximize your strategic options, making your Clash of Clans experience even richer. The most official and recommended way to play two Clash of Clans accounts on one device is by linking each village to a separate Google Play Games or Apple ID. Simply load up your game, go to the in-game settings, and connect or switch accounts. You'll log out of one and into the other, loading your desired village. This method is super secure and ensures your progress is always saved, making it the preferred approach for many players. Another popular method involves using an app cloner. These tools essentially create a duplicate version of the Clash of Clans app on your phone, letting you run two separate instances simultaneously. This means you can have both villages open and accessible without constantly logging in and out. While convenient, it's important to remember that app cloning isn't officially supported by Supercell, so always use reputable cloner apps to minimize potential risks. No matter which method you choose, always make sure both your accounts are properly linked to their respective Google Play or Apple ID. This is crucial for saving your progress and preventing any loss. Also, keep an eye on your phone's performance. Running two accounts can sometimes use more battery and processing power. And remember, stick to official methods or trusted cloning apps to avoid any issues with game policies or your account safety. Playing two Clash of Clans accounts on one device is a straightforward process once you know how. It truly enhances your gameplay experience, allowing you to experiment with different base layouts or clan strategies. You can grow your villages at your own pace and enjoy the game from multiple perspectives. So why not give it a try? You might just discover a whole new level of fun in Clash of Clans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.